student, how are you? All I hope you all are fine and doing study at home. Welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of social studies. I am here with new chapter from your textbook. Chapter 12, Kinds of Houses. Chapter name? Chapter 12, Kinds of Houses. So student, what's the name of chapter? Kinds of Houses. I am going to explain some hard words and some exercise. So student, before your chapter, read now the word around me, and after chapter 12, kinds of houses. So student, take out your CW copy and mention your CW and dates. Now, so student, I first explain the some word meaning. So student, take out your copy and open your new page and one page divided by two part. Okay, so student, take out your CW copy, mention your CW date and new page open your divided your two part. First part, mention your words and second part, mention your meaning. Again you, so student, first part mention your words and second part mention your meaning. So let's start the first word. So let's start the first new word. Okay, so right now first word आपका first new word big, B-I-G, big, big, big meaning of large, L-A-R-G. Okay, now student, is that clear? Now second word moves, spelling of moves, M-O-V-E-S, moves, meaning of round, R-O-U-N-D, round. Is that clear? So next word serval, S-E-V-E-R-A-L, serval. Serval, that means many. Serval, that means meaning of many, M-A-N-Y. Okay, is that clear? So next meaning people. Next meaning people, spelling of people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Is that clear? Meaning of M-O-R-E, more, T-H-A-N, then O-N-A-1, P-E-R-S-O-N, person. More than one person. Is that clear? Again you, people, meaning of more than one person. So student, next meaning special, S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special, meaning of important, I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T, I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T, important. Okay, is that clear? So next meaning pull. Next meaning pull, spelling of pull, P-U-L-L, pull, pull, meaning of force, F-O-R-C-E, force. Is that clear? So next meaning mostly. Next meaning most, M-O-S-T, most, meaning of almost, A-L-M-O-S-T. Okay, is that clear, students? So first exercise. So student, look here and first exercise. Okay, first exercise. Now read, choose the correct answer. Again you choose the correct answer. First, a house that is part of a large building is called. Again you read, a house that is part of a large building is called a flat. Is that clear? First option hut, second option flat, and third option caravan. So first choose correct option B. Write in flat. Spelling of flat FLAT, flat. Is that clear, students? Okay. So next, second number. Second things, igloos are made of Igloos are made of that. Igloos are made of dash. So students, mention you 3 option. One option correct. Choose the correct option. Again you, igloos are made of option A, stone, B, ice, C, mud. Again you, A, stone, B, ice, C, mud. So student, correct option B. Correct option B. Right now, ice. Spelling of ice, students? ICE, ice. Is that clear? Okay. So next things, and third one, fish live in a dash. Fish live in a dash. Okay. First option water, forest, third option desert. First option water, second option forest, and third option desert. Okay. So students, choose the correct option A. Right now, water. Spelling of water, students? WATER. Again, spelling of student water? WATER. Water. So next things, bird make nest out of. Okay. Again you read, bird make nest out of stick dash. Option A, sticks and straw. Option B, iron, and option C, brick. Again you option A, sticks and straw, option B, iron, and option C, bricks. So students, choose the correct option A, sticks and straw. Spelling of sticks STICKS, sticks, AND and STRAW, straw. Is that clear, students? Okay. Now next one, tiger live in. Again you read, tiger live in. Tiger live in forest. Tiger live in dash. Option A, houses. Option B, forest. Option C, rivers. So students, choose the correct option B, forest. Spelling of forest FORESTS. Is that clear, student? So next exercise, student, match the following. Okay, match the following after 2 parts, section A and section B. A house that run on wheels. Second part, option tent, houseboat, caravan, and hut and igloos. So correct option is C. Match the option C, caravan. Okay, clear? So next here, a house made of ice. Tent, houseboat, hut, igloo. Option E. Second match E option, igloos. Okay. And third one, a shelter made of cloth or canvas used in desert. Mesh tent. Spelling of tent, TENT. Tent. Is that clear? And fourth one, a house in a boat. House in a boat. Match the option B. B option right now. Match. Speak houseboat. House, house, B-O-A-T, boat. Very good. And fourth one, a small house is made of mud and straw. Hut. Fifth one, mess. Correct option D. Hut. Spelling of hut, H-U-T, hut. So student, now next exercise, answer the following questions. Okay. First one, name 3 things used to make houses. First number, wood. Second one, bricks. And third one, mud. Understood? And second question, what is a hut? What is a hut? Answer, a hut is a small house that made of mud and straw. Again a hut is a small house that made of mud of straw. Is that clear, student? So next question, what is a caravan? What are the 2 different kinds of caravan? Answer, caravan is a house that made of wheels. 2 different caravans are there. There are first car pulled and second one some are pulled by horses. Is that clear, student? So next question, fourth one, where do rabbit live? Again your question, where do rabbit live? Answer, rabbit live in a burrow. Rabbit live in a burrow. Again you answer, rabbit live in burrow. Is that clear, student? So fifth one, how is the home of and different from that of bee? How is the home of ants different from that of bees? Answer, ants make tunnels under the ground. That is called an anthill. But bee live in bee hive and they make hives. Is that clear? Again you, ant make tunnels under the ground. That is called an anthill. But bee live in bee hive and they make hives. Is that clear, student? Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day, students.